Hey guys, Brady from ROG Ally Pro here, and today I'm just going to show you how to do Steam in-game recording on your ROG Ally here. So first thing you want to do, you obviously want to have Steam open here, and then once you're on Steam, you're at the store, you're at your library, doesn't really matter where you're from, but you just want to come up to the Steam logo in the top left corner, and then you want to come to Settings. And then once you're in the settings, you want to scroll all the way down to game recording in this left column. And then you'll see, if I full screen it, you'll have this little pop-up with game recording. You can record, replay, clip, and share. Just click on got it. And then yours by default will be recording off. So you could either have it record in the background. Steam will automatically record your gameplay when you're playing so you don't miss unexpected moments. And this is 120 minutes of video that will be kept, or you can record manually, and I like the record manually one. So you can see that the shortcut key to start or stop recording is Control F11, and then obviously I don't have a Control F11 button on the ROG Ally here, unless if you're docked and you're using a keyboard and mouse, then you might have a Control F11. But if you don't have a Control F11 like me, we're going to go ahead and create it and map it to a couple buttons on the ROG Ally here. So if you haven't done this before, all you want to do is just open up your Armory crate, and then when you're in Armory crate, you just want to come up to the settings icon in the left bar at the top here, and then you want to go into control mode. Then click configure, and then you want to go to the gamepad mode and click configure on that, and then right here you'll see all the key mapping. So right now there is no key mapping set up for my ROG Ally, so we're going to go ahead and set up that Control F11 one right now. So I'm just going to set it to the left bumper. The primary action will be left bumper, which we want to go ahead and keep that, but the secondary function is the one that we want to change. So we just go ahead and click on edit, and then once you're in this gamepad section, you want to come over to combine keys. So that way we can do multiple keys like the Control F11. So you want to press the X button to create a combination, and then it'll create this macro. So you go ahead and click edit, and then you want to pick the two Control F11. So Control F11. And then that's just because I kept it at the default Control F11. If you change it to something else on a keyboard, then you go ahead and just pick the keys here, and then you press the back button. And there we go, we got macro 1 is left control and then F11. So now we can just go back and click on edit, and then combine keys, and then select the main one there, macro 1. Okay, so after creating this macro and setting it as the secondary function, when you're playing games, you just want to make sure that you are in the gamepad control mode and not the desktop control mode or the auto. So just keep it in gamepad. Now, if you want to view your clips after you press this macro, so mine would be this back one and then this one, come back into Steam, then come up to view in this top bar, and then you'll see recordings and screenshots in the very bottom of this drop down. So you just go ahead and right here, everything will pop up. And then if you were to select on something, you could press this little share button and share it to social media. So that is how you use the in-game Steam game recording feature on the ROG Ally. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for videos we should make on the ROG Ally, feel free to comment them down below, and have a good rest of your day.